too. Oh, for crying out loud.
It has like yellow lights. Did you get them?
I have all the dash light up Christmas tree. Well, it did anyway.
And then all-wheel drive.
Yeah, the all-wheel drive should pop up in a second too. And then when you brake, now it sounds like it's on that side. And then now that them lights finally popped up, does it do it again?
See, the brake
So after the lights pop on, it smooths out.
Yep.
Okay. You're gonna need 10mm socket. Quarter-inch drive. Shouldn't need anything bigger. As far as 3/8 drive or whatever, not a lot of torque on it. I'm on the right front, the passenger side. This is the plug that you're going to need. If I can focus. That's the plug. And if you come towards the back of the wheel, see if I can get it in the camera here. The heck's the camera now? There it is. So that's the bolt that we need to get out of this is terrible lighting. Here it is. Here's the bolt you're going to need to undo. It's easiest to get from the back towards the back. See, like there's the steering tie rod linkage there, just up through here. And then there's another hold on, there's another bracket you'll have to undo, which is same size bolt, 10mm. You'll see it, it's up. If I can get the freaking camera. Is that it? There it is, right here. I wish I had a better camera. Wish I had a good camera. It's hard to do this with an iPad. Okay, so once you get all these little clips. Oh, daggone, this is hard. Oh, you can't even see it, it's too dark. Oh, there you can see one right there by the rim. And little clips wrap around the brake hose there. Nothing's rattling around already. Just get them with a screwdriver. Some of them are kind of hard to get to, but we'll get it. And you got the clip here. Oh, for God's sake, focus. Okay, and then what you want to do, you got the little short end here comes out and the fat end. You look at the opposite side of that little clip. There's this piece right here. You want to push that in. Push that in and this pulls right out. And then once you got that bolt out up here, oh my God, focus. Let's pull that. For God's sake. Come on. Right right on up out of there. Alright, well, you get the idea. Alright, now we got the old one out. Looks like this. This is a 2011 Equinox. What is this, an LS? LS. 2011 Equinox LS. All-wheel drive. LT. Okay. 2011 LT, not an LS. That might make a difference. I have no idea. But compare your old and your new one. Just be sure. Let's see. Oh, that might make sense. I imagine this stuff will be the same though. Yeah, because it costs a lot to manufacture two different things for two really similar vehicles. Like the same thing. Well, anyway. Make sure that's right. And the plugs, make sure that's right. Good to you, look good to me. Yeah, they look closer than the last one. Okay, now we'll see if it made a difference in the